Master Trainer in Meta Health, Matrix Reimprinting, Advanced Clearing Energetics, and Information Medicine. And I am a trainer in sound healing, color therapy with art work, which we will be getting for you at the end of this month. I'm also trying to get you little odd topics which I use very frequently in my therapeutic sessions, which is like watercolor, meditation, how you can use plasticine, that is clay work, in understanding where your conflicts are and what your conflicts are. And I would love to get neurographic paintings for you guys so that you can actually help someone who might be going through dementia as well as yourself to create networks in the brain, because brain is very plastic. I love learning, and in fact on this week I'm learning something that's really interesting which I will get for you later. I'm learning about the geometry that is connected with psychology, which means each one of us have a shape, and we need to then understand what our shape is and understand further in our life what to do. Okay. Let's also welcome Sanjana. She has put a lot of stuff for you to read on the chat. Please do go and have a look in the chat. All the stuff that she has put, it will help you and reinforce what I'm saying. Today we are on the platform of Get Set Up, where we are sitting with each other and learning skills from each other. When I say each other, literally you have no idea how you have helped me and supported me in the whole journey. I have deep respect for each and every one of you, and I want to say thank you for giving me such beautiful insights and feedback, both. Because if you just enjoy here and don't put that in feedback, no one knows. That feedback form is for others who have not attended the class to understand that this is the need of the hour. This program today is getting recorded, so please take down the email address help@getsetup.io. You can request for the recording at this email help@getsetup.io. You have to say it's a 2 o'clock session and name the session and name the guide, because there are 4 sessions going on at the same time. Make it easy for people. Say, Dr. Anu Mehta, she is teaching today about the men's health, and I want that session. If you're joining by live stream, the best way to participate is to join us and register for a class. Get Set Up is not paid to promote any specific products. We only are an education forum. So, like I spoke to you, we believe that men are having a great time. Most of the women in India, as well as across the country, but especially in our country, are very angry with men. Very angry. I don't know why, but they're extremely angry with men. So we need to believe what we believe about men, and their presence in our life impacts their health. To become aware, accept, and understand the needs of a man, to understand his sexual needs and desires. This is a very taboo topic, talking about sexual needs of a man, and it needs to be addressed, because a lot of marriages are loveless because they never asked each other anything. To understand what true empowerment means. In my mind, the true empowerment always is freedom of expression. अगर आप खुल के एक दूसरे को ये नहीं बता सकते कि आपको क्या चाहिए एक दूसरे से, और आप बॉलीवुड की हिंदी मूवी की तरह 2 फ्लावर्स लेके ऐसे कर रहे हो, तो सॉरी, इट डजंट वर्क. ओके, so we need to open our mouth not just on the sexual issues but on other issues. But remember, opening your mouth has to be lovingly and firmly, which means हमें अपनी जबान पे शहद रख के बात करनी है और बहुत फर्मली बात करनी है, ऐसे डिली डाली होके नहीं बात करनी है. तो बहुत प्यार से अगर आप वही चीज लोगों को परोसेंगे तो उनको समझ में आती है, विद ग्रैटिट्यूड. चलिए, Is there anything else that you would like to know about the man's health? Then put it down in the chat and let's go further. So, do you think we need to pay attention first to physical health of the man? If you believe yes, write down yes. If you believe no, don't put it. Do you feel that emotional need needs to be given attention, or sexual needs need to be given attention, or is it all? So you can write down yes, I think uh, physically they need to grow. I feel emotionally we need to give them attention. I feel sexually we need to give them attention. No, I think we need to give them attention overall on every aspect. What do you say? Nothing in the chat. Okay, there are 4 messages. Yes to all. Yes, yes, both. Yes to all. Thank you so much. And let's go further. So we looked last time and we discussed this, that there is a difference between men and women. And we kind of walked a lot around what are the differences. So I'm presuming that all of you know the anatomy differences that a man and a woman has. And I don't know whether I spoke about the survey on that day, but the survey was about when the boy and girl begins to live their life. The difference between boy and girl are very little. As we keep growing, and as we keep growing, the 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 difference between the boy and girl starts getting more. But at the end, it is almost like men rule over certain things and women rule over certain things. So women have their expertise at home and men have their expertise at workplace, presuming that the woman is not working. So his fighting ground is outside the house. And he wants to come back home and rest, relax, feel happy. That's his rest place. Whereas for a woman, her house, her home is not a rest place. She is catering to someone or the other's need. She is working 24/7 and not getting any money for it, not getting any benefits for it, not getting any kind of appreciation for it. So in the morning, she is managing her maids. If there are no maids, she's managing everything herself. She gets up at the wee hours of the morning, sends her kids to school. She has forgotten what it means after her pregnancy, what it means to sleep for a longer length of time. Because first the pregnancy issues, and then later it is all about taking care of the children, sending the husband with his tiffin box, and not knowing what to do after that. Today's and tomorrow's sessions are interconnected. So today we're going to talk more about men and all the issues that you have coming up in your mind today. We will talk about them tomorrow regarding the women. But just shortly to know that women's playground is their house. Their work ground is their house. Their destiny is their house. Whether the lady is working or not working. Even when she is working, you will find women sitting in the train shelling peas, cutting vegetables, coming back home and managing all that. Okay, no more about women because today we're going to look at the beautiful, amazing, handsome men. So we looked at, for a man, the outside the house, घर के बाहर का मैदान उसका और घर के अंदर का मैदान आपका. So now when we are looking at a man who is outside, let's go back to the primitive man. जहां से ये आदम के जमाने की जब बात करते हैं, ठीक है, where Adam and Eve was there. We are talking, please discuss, does a wife have to be agreeing with her man to convince him that they are on the same page regarding issues? I will be picking up this discussion tomorrow, not today, and I will make sure I pick it up. Thank you, Anita Malhotra, for putting that up. Thank you, Jyotsna, and thank you, everybody, for putting up. Now, I want you to understand a man sitting at home would mean in olden times that the house would be without food. Even today, when I'm seeing the fathers last week, last 2 weeks, there are at least 3 of my students who've lost their fathers. And it's really sad. I don't know what to say to them because the mindset still is कि पापा नहीं है अब घर कैसे चलेगा. हमारे सर से साया उठ गया है. He was present and we didn't even know, we didn't even look at the financial part of it. And I'm talking about people who are very empowered. Yet, women who are TEDx speakers, yet the finances are completely controlled in some communities only by men, no matter how intelligent, how empowered a woman gets. So in the same way, when that सर के ऊपर से साया चला गया है, it is like saying अब कौन बाहर जाके पैसे कमा के लाएगा? Even if the girl is earning, even if the wife is earning, it is suddenly considered that she is not safe. It is as if you didn't have a papa at home or a brother at home, but a dada at home. In Marathi language, they are called dada. भैया नहीं बोलते हैं, दादा बोलते हैं. What I'm trying to get at is there is a subconscious mindset that a man protects. And a man is sitting in the same mindset कि अगर मैं अपनी family को protect नहीं कर पाया तो गड़बड़ है. Then I'm not a man enough. यहाँ पे आपको एक कहानी सुना देते हैं, ठीक है? And then we'll get into a little bit of discussion. कहानी ये है और ये सच्ची कहानी है. पाकिस्तान इंडिया के बंटवारे हुए एंड एक फैमिली वहां से वापस आ रही थी. When that family was coming home to India, where they decided that they will make that place their home, उनकी एक बेटी प्रेग्नेंट थी. उनके प्रेग्नेंट गर्ल के जो पापा थे वो वहां के हेडमास्टर थे, मतलब प्रिंसिपल of the school. Can you imagine in Pakistan in those times, this man was educated enough to be the principal of the school? And within no time, when India, Pakistan went split, he had to pick up everything that he had, that is his family, a little bit of cash, ornaments that women wore, and God knows whether they would safely reach India in those trains where everybody was getting massacred. His job in his mind is to protect his family. अब वो ट्रेन में बैठ गए और उनकी वाइफ सरदारनी और सरदार्स में एक करपान अपने पास रखते हैं. 5 चीजें केस से शुरू होती हैं. कच्छा, कच्छ, केस, करपान and one more. I'm not remembering what. But 5 चीजें उनके पास they mandatory carry it with them. She was carrying करपान. करपान किस लिए इस्तेमाल की होगी उन्होंने? To save her daughters from anyone abusing them. वो सरदारनी थी and he was a plain Hindu. So he wasn't using the करपान. अब कौन हुआ man of the family? She or he? फटाफट लिखिए चैट में कौन हुआ मैन ऑफ द फैमिली? यस, गंगा ज्योत्सना सही कह रही हैं. अगर औरत खड़ी है ऐसे छुरी लेके कि मेरी बेटियों के पास आया तो देखना, तो does she remain as a woman of the house or does she become the man of the house? देखिए, does she become the man of the house or does she remain as a woman of the house? और उसका हस्बैंड देख रहा है और कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा है. Yes, she is the man of the house. And what does happen in 1 minute? The man loses respect for himself. Shabash. Will this impact his health? Will this impact his health? Yes or no? लिखिए फटाफट chat में. Will this impact his health? Yes. Why? उसने तो वही किया जो इमरजेंसी में उसे करना चाहिए था. अपनी बेटियों को बचाने के लिए she picked up a karpan. She actually stood there like a tigress. This actually happened. She stood there and said, मेरी बेटियों के पास कोई आया तो चीर के रख दूंगी.
I will kirpan or no kirpan. Man has to man को उठ के अपने बच्चों को फैमिली को संभालना चाहिए था.
शाबाश, आपने चाहिए था जहां बोल दिया, वहां पे जब वो नहीं कर सका तो yes, you're absolutely right Manjushri, he will get into depression, he will get into feeling inferior. Shabash, he will feel inadequate, he will feel not like a protector. Very good. And in our society, in our society, from the beginning the man is supposed to be the head. मैंने बोला ना, सर का सरताज है. आज भी कहानियों में ये आता है कि द मैन इज वुमन सर का सरताज, वो ताज है. कई कई जगहों पे अपने हस्बैंड्स को लेडीज एक्चुअली राजा मानती हैं. राजा जी हैं ये हमारे घर के. क्यों उनको राजे की पदवी दी जाती है? सो दैट दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ देम. भाई को क्यों राखी बांधी जाती है? ताकि ही विल प्रोटेक्ट दी डॉटर. उसकी आन, उसकी बान, उसकी शान, हर चीज को वो प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. दिस इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड इन दैट जर्नी बैक होम, this man loses respect for himself despite being the principal and the not just being an important person at home but also being an important person in his pathshala. And then what happened next was even more interesting. They landed safely in India. The train reached India. They somehow got saved. They landed there, but their daughter, who was pregnant, went into labor pains. Severe labor pains. Women literally like Bollywood style stood around holding the chunnis and the chaddars because the delivery happened at the platform. The baby and the mother died there. How does a man feel now? And how does a mother feel now? I don't think the term should be man of the house. Why can't it be 50-50? So Maya, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. I'm talking about evolution. I'm talking about not just how it should be. I'm talking about how it is. अगर आप तक ये नहीं लेके आऊंगी कि कैसा है. Yes, they felt useless, sorrow. They lost everything on that day when they lost their daughter and they lost the little baby. Because no matter how much protection that they gave them, it was never enough. Yes, wife felt why? Because she lost her daughter. Despite her tools of karpan, despite her aggression, despite getting her way, and they got into a new story, and the mental story is, कोई तो हमें नीचे दिखा रहा है, कोई तो हमें झुका गया. किसी ने हमारा सब कुछ ले लिया है, क्या वो ट्रस्ट करेंगे इंडिया को? विल दे ट्रस्ट इंडिया? विल दे ट्रस्ट? हम एसोसिएट करते हैं ना चीजों को। इंडिया पहुंचते ही आई लॉस्ट माई डॉटर, माई बेबी, grandchild, and we are helpless. No job, no house, death already happening, and not knowing what to do. क्या महसूस होगा उनको? चलिए फटाफट अनम्यूट करके बताइए क्या फील होगा उनको।
नफरत।
शाबाश, नफरत फील होगी। आपको पता है इस फैमिली का एक बच्चा हमेशा बाहर जाता है पढ़ने के लिए, क्योंकि इंडिया इज नॉट इनफ। और पता, this is a family which is very very close to me, and I've heard these stories like this.
अनु,
Yes,
Anu.
Yes, Jyotsna.
उन लोगों को लगा होगा कि इंडिया में आते ही हमको अपशगुन हुए, क्योंकि हम लोग ज्यादातर शगुन अपशगुन में मानते हैं, तो शायद ये हो सकता है। आई डोंट नो।
बिल्कुल हुआ ऐसे ज्योत्सना, बिल्कुल हुआ ऐसे कि they could never settle down. They always remained in the past, and this is one of the biggest reason of mental problem. जब हमारे से कुछ ऐसा छूट जाता है, from a place where I was the headmaster of the school, the most useful man on the earth. सब उनके पास आ रहे हैं, मास्टर जी नमस्ते, मास्टर जी नमस्ते, नमस्ते मास्टर जी। तो ये देखो ये आदमी खड़ा है, अपनी बेटी को नहीं बचा सका। इसे कहते हैं सदमा, एंड इसकी वजह से हमारी बैंड बचती है। समथिंग दैट इज नॉट इन योर हैंड्स, जहां पे आपको पता ही नहीं क्या करना है। क्या करेगा वो आदमी? उसके हाथ में था क्या ये हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान का बंटवारे हो गए ना? वो मुस्लिम था, वो हिंदू था, और सरदार से शादी हुई थी, सरदारनी लेडी से। कल्चरली दो दे आर सेम, but they are not same, and they came back to India from Patoki. Okay, तो अभी चलते हैं, ये आपको समझ में आ गया कि if it is all about how we want the man to show himself, he could not hunt, he could not protect his family, and he could not save his grandchild. अब इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ होगा फैमिली के ऊपर? Would he feel like an alpha male? अल्फा का मतलब मालूम है? King, like the strongest. शाबाश, नहीं फील करेगा ना ऐसे। और आदमी के लिए अल्फा फील करना बहुत 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 जरूरी है। चलिए अभी 2 मिनट के लिए बॉलीवुड की तरफ खींचते हैं। यस, what is nafrat? Nafrat is hate. Rhoda, another word for you to learn in Hindi. Shabash. Nafrat is hate. I love it, Rhoda. You are amazing. They would blame themselves, yes, or others. We often do not blame ourselves. We first blame other people. Now look at Hindi movies. Dharmender's son, what is his name? Sunny Deol. You've seen his movies, what kind of movies, what kind of character does he play? What kind of character does he play?
Manly roles.
Manly roles.
Manly roles.
Very good. Manly roles में he will be fighting till the last minute, saving someone or the other, like a Tarzan, yes. If we didn't want a man to be like this, why were we projecting him in Bollywood movies? Whereas Shah Rukh Khan on the other side is projected as, is he projected as a fighter? How is he
Romeo.
Someone who's in love, and he stands there and says, "मैं हूं ना, Now, when he's saying "मैं हूं ना," and if a man cannot come back home and tell his wife "मैं हूं ना," it is going to impact his health. Shabash. Now let's bring this simile to right now when women and men in this world are dying because of COVID. And there are families where mom is not there, dad is not there because of COVID. And a young boy who is, let's say, 25 years of age, old enough to look like a man, old enough to get married, but too young to take the responsibility because father is not there. सर के ऊपर से साया उठ गया है, सरताज नहीं है. अब ये छोटे से बंदे को प्रिंस बनाएंगे, चाहे वो 25 साल का है, चाहे वो 15 साल का है, चाहे वो 10 साल का है. He becomes the next man of the house. I often hear women अभी भी बोलते हुए, and this is the time when COVID was not there, that मैं जब नोएडा से कहीं और जाती हूँ ना, this is about Delhi, मैं मेरे बेटे को साथ में बिठा लेती हूँ. So क्यों? नहीं, एक तो मर्द होना चाहिए ना गाड़ी में. Yes. What are we saying? That a man, a boy is very, 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 very important. So when, and a boy, because he is very, 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 very important, he is always right. Do you know this is a mental menace tomorrow? If a man and a woman are having a fight, whether it is because there is a fertility problem or there is another issue going on, it is often women who are blamed and men who are never given any therapy. And I feel more bad for them because no therapy is ever given to them to sit down and say, "Jo ho gaya, wo ho gaya." Now, coming back to this family who was coming down, they had 3 boys standing there watching this whole story. 3 boys standing there watching this whole story, 3 men. So that's their father and his 2 sons. And it was the Sardarni who had taken out the Kirpan. Do you know what these boys went and did later? Any idea what profession they would have joined in India? I'm giving you a very big hint. They could not protect their sister. अब आप सोचो कि Sunny Deol is standing there, you can't protect his sister. तो वो क्या कहेगा अपने आप को?
मैं उसका खून कर दूंगा.
Good. और शाबाश, मैं उसका खून कर दूंगा. और वेरी गुड मंजुश्री. और क्या कहेगा? मैं कौन सा वाला प्रोफेशन लूंगा ताकि मैं खून कर सकूं?
विलेन.
Police department. Police
Pardon?
department.
Police
Police
or army.
department.
Very good. He could get into police department or very good guess. One more
Or
guess.
a villain. Or a
Army.
villain.
Or shabash.
Army.
Very good. These boys joined the army. They both became army men. Why? Because that hunger cut up there. They had to get back to being the alpha. And how could they get back to being the alpha? By having that in their heart. कोई आएगा ना तो मैं उसे काट डालूंगा. That arc, that fire happened because of one incident. That one incident will now pave the way of their illnesses, will pave the way of everything else that is happening in their life. Shabash. I think I've got some understanding. Hopefully everybody's understood till now. You can have a bad effect and a good effect. Now, the elder one, the elder boy who went into the army, he is colorblind. And according to the color psychology, the colors that are missing in his spectrum are red color and green color. He can't see these colors. Think now, what does red color indicate? What does green color indicate? Why would the
Red color is the dupatta.
Anger.
very good,
No,
red,
red color is blood. Blood.
very good. Red color is blood, red color is anger. What else? What else?
Red.
Red color is
Badla. Badla.
shabash. Red color is doing something, action. मैं ऐसे करूंगा. Got it? The red color is I haven't done what I needed to do back in time. So for all the people who have never understood why something is how it can be connected to health, red color is all about action not taken. And let's look at the green color. What can the green color be about?
Pakistani flag.
Very good. Shabash. What else?
Emotions.
Very good. What else?
Peace.
Prosperity and growth.
वेरी गुड. प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड ग्रोथ. इसका मतलब अगर मेरे पास प्रॉस्पेरिटी और ग्रोथ नहीं है तो क्या कलर जाएगा मेरी स्पेक्ट्रम में से?
Green.
शाबाश. अगर मुझे एक्शन नहीं समझ में आ रहा मैं कौन सा लूं और मेरे को जिंदगी में सारा कुछ डिप्रेशन जैसा लग रहा है, I cannot feel that I will get that izzat now, that prosperity now. Which color will go out of the spectrum? The green color. So he became colorblind with red and green color. This is a research that I'm presenting to you of Dr. Kwesi, who's an ophthalmologist. Generations to go after that have had red and green color missing in their spectrum. क्योंकि इज्जत वापस आई नहीं है. They could never go back to Pakistan. They could never live their life the way they wanted to. So now coming back to the topic, I hope this story really summed it up, that what is happening in our life impacts our health. How we see people and how people see us when we cannot fit into the roles that we need to play. It impacts us, whether it's a woman or a man. Let's go further. So now let's understand what is an alpha man for today's sake, and then we will know what does it mean to be an alpha man. I've already spoken about this and we will go further tomorrow. So the whole study was done on a pack of wolves. और पैक ऑफ वुल्स का मतलब होता है एक पूरा झुंड वुल्स का. एक पूरा झुंड जो वुल्स का है उसके ऊपर इन्होंने रिसर्च करी और रिसर्च करके इनको पता लगा कि जो सारे जैसे 100 हैं उस झुंड के अंदर, उनमें से एक जो होता है ना वुल्फ, वो होता है हीरो ऑफ द होल ग्रुप. लाइक यू हैव इन हिंदी मूवी 15-20 लेडीज डांस कर रही हैं पर हमको पता होता है हीरोइन कौन सी है. उसको बिल्कुल सामने अलग से कपड़ों में वो डांस कर रही होती है और बाकी सारे उसके साथ साथ डांस कर रहे होते हैं. या फॉर अ मैन ही इज डांसिंग इन फ्रंट and all other are still standing behind. Exactly like that. So we know from the group कि leader कौन है बॉस, किसकी चलती है यहाँ पे, और जिसकी चलती है वहां पे he has to have certain रुतबा, certain attitude, certain stories. ठीक है. और ये अल्फा होना बहुत जरूरी है. अब फटाफट सोचो कि आपकी जॉइंट फैमिलीज में से अल्फा मैन कौन है. फटाफट लिखो. आपकी जॉइंट फैमिलीज में या नॉर्मल फैमिलीज में अल्फा मैन कौन है? If there are 3 generations living together, who is the alpha? Father-in-law, शाबाश। तो जिसकी चलती है, he is the alpha। उसके कहे बिना चिड़िया भी पर नहीं मार सकती। तू जो कहे हाँ तो हाँ, तू जो कहे ना तो ना, समझे? उसके नीचे आपका हस्बैंड और आपके हस्बैंड के नीचे बहुत सारे लोग। And how does this impact a man's health? अभी एक आपको किस्सा सुना देती हूँ. This will help you to understand the heart attacks that men have. फिर से वापस स्टोरी. अब भी स्टोरी सुनाते हैं इसकी. 1 मिनट. Let's take a darker color. इस वुल्फ की. दिख रहा है ये वुल्फ? वेरी गुड. ये हुआ वुल्फ, आपका फादर इन लॉ, टॉप हीरो. इवन दो इज 60, स्टिल द हीरो. और उसके सुपुत्र बेटे जो 40 साल के हैं या 30 इयर्स के हैं या लेट 40s में हैं, ही स्टिल नॉट द हीरो. बिजनेस यही संभाल रहे हैं. इसके नीचे ये वाले शेरू काम कर रहे हैं. जब तक ये रेड अल्फा इसके ऊपर बॉस है, तब तक वो खुल के अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकता. बोलती बंद हो जाती है यार उसकी. जब वो घर आता है तो बीवी के सामने वो अपना फादर इन लॉ बन जाता है, अपना पप्पा बन जाता है. प्राइवेट रूम में. But in the presence of the alpha male, he has no say in the matter. And बीवी कह रही है अपना अलग से करते हैं ना, अलग से दूसरे खोपचे में जाके रहते हैं ना. And these people are living together. And what is interesting, एक दिन बंटवारा हो जाता है, या एक दिन ऐसे होता है कि ये जो है ना फादर इन लॉ, ये जो है ना, ये वुल्फ है ना जो, वो बहुत बीमार हो जाता है. और उसको एहसास होता है कि यार अगर ये मेरे अगेंस्ट चला गया, then he will become the leader. तो कुछ अनबन होती है जिसपे वो बोलता है, बॉस मैं बीमार हूं तो क्या हुआ, मैं अभी भी हीरो हूं. तब तक ये शेरू जाके ना, ये जो सबने दूसरों ने सर झुकाया हुआ है, इनको जाके बोलता है, मैं तुम्हारा हीरो बनूंगा ना तो तुमको वो सब कुछ दूंगा जो मेरे पापा ने नहीं दिया. समझे? तो ये शेरू comes and fights with the alpha male, understanding that the alpha male has become weak. ये होता है कि नहीं होता घरों में? 2 भाइयों में होता है कि नहीं होता? सेम वुल्फ्स की स्टोरी घर के अंदर चल रही है. दिस इज द टाइम जहां पे द सीनियर अल्फा वुल्फ विल मेक द लास्ट मूव टू फाइट ब्रिलियंटली विद हिज सन. और जब वो फाइट करेगा अपने बेटे के साथ और उस पे जताएगा कि आई एम द लीडर, हो सकता है कि ही लूजेस, हो सकता है ही विंस द गेम. अभी फटाफट बताओ, अगर वो जीत गया तो उसकी हेल्थ पे क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, और अगर वो हार गया तो क्या होगा. फिर से बोलती हूँ. This person who is in red in color, we know that he looks like the alpha wolf. He is not well. And Sheru has got up and said, let's fight. I am the hero. You are not the hero anymore. They both are fighting. अगर ये अल्फा वुल्फ जीत जाता है तो क्या होगा, और अगर हार जाता है तो क्या होगा? यस,
जीतने से तो वो उसको बहुत खुशी रहेगी, वो बॉस है।
वेरी गुड.
हाँ,
He'll
और
improve his
हारने से
health.
तो अटैक आ जाएगा, हारने से अटैक आ जाएगा।
Either way, his hormones will go very high, and he, after winning the game, I want you to understand, after winning the game is when he will get a heart attack, not before that. Because he will use all his strength, all his might. Forget about heart attack for a minute. I just want you to understand this much, that this is the game we play with ourselves at home, where two men are fighting, where two father and son are fighting in the business, which creates mental problems for both of them. And the minute the alpha male gives up, that is when the next king will be crowned. But if the next king doesn't want to be crowned, then what? Doesn't fight, then what? Then what happens? If he loses, he will be sad and heart attack or stroke. Yes, it is possible. First of all, you have to understand that the alpha male, when he is looking at the younger younger wolf wanting to come and fight with him, he's already feeling stressed out. And he's feeling so stressed out that his body, his heart is going to pump extra blood. His body is going to give him extra glucose so that he can go and fight with this man. And in the process, whether he wins or he loses, he has used so much of his energy over there that a possibility of a heart attack is very, very loud. Very, very loud. Okay? And for a minute, he has to spike up his entire energy so that he can go and do what he needs to do. Remember, I said he is not well. He is not feeling okay. But with him losing, he loses his manhood. He loses his rutba. He loses his akkad. And he loses his attitude. So your attitude is decided by the circumstances that you have around you, not just positive thinking. Any questions here? Because we have reached at 2:49. I'm just giving you circumstances. This conflict is happening every day around us. When the father comes and tells the son, or the mother says, कर ले नहीं तो पापा आ जाएंगे, बेटे बात मानने नहीं तो पापा आके तेरी पॉकेट मनी कैंसिल कर देंगे. What are we telling him? That papa is the alpha and you are his junior. नीचे झुक के रहना है. Women use this or they don't use this? Yes, father loses his value. Absolutely. And with that, he can start having prostrate problems because he doesn't feel valuable anymore. His bones start corroding because it is not of any use anymore. His eyesight goes weak because he doesn't need to be so vigilant anymore. कुछ समझ रहे हो? All I'm trying to tell you is that this attitude कि मैं alpha, मैं top, मैं, और जब वहां से आदमी नीचे गिरता है, he doesn't remain where he should be. This creates a lot of tamasha and personality change, behavior change, physiological changes, psychological changes that happen in the body. Now think, with old age happening, can retirement create the same thing? Likho fatafat. Can retirement create the same story?
Yes, sometimes it can.
Where
All the time.
All the time, where the man was feeling like, oh, 15 people reporting to me. Jao pani leke aao, jao khana leke aao mere liye. And now he comes home and sits and works from home. Wife bolti aa gaya.
Now
what-
he becomes a ladies man. Now he becomes a ladies man. वो घर में आके खाली लेडीज की बातें सुनेंगे, उसी की बातों पे वो कुचरनी ये सब करेगा.
I don't know whether he become ladies man, but the retirement will impact his health. He will not feel like an alpha anymore. हमें ये समझना है, for a man to feel like an alpha is very, very, very important. When a man does not feel like an alpha, thank you so much. Darpana, could you unmute yourself and share?
Yeah, I know a person, friend, in fact. As soon as he got retired, you know, we were working in RBI, no? We were staying in RBI. So as soon as he took retirement, actually after some days, he passed away. He got so depressed. I don't know what happened to him. Such a healthy person. And he passed away, leaving behind his wife and children.
Shukriya, Darpana. And this is what is happening during the COVID. So many people are not feeling like alpha anymore. Kyuki, can you imagine the whole hospitality industry went for a toss? The whole airlines went for a toss. People had responsibilities and the jobs went. And the minute the job went, they did not feel that essentially important anymore. They did not feel like an alpha anymore. And that created a ripple effect of health problems where people exited the planet Earth. I hope you're
they keep saying हाँ अब तो हमारी कोई जरूरत नहीं है, अब तो मेरी कोई सुनेगा नहीं.
understanding. जब आपके हस्बैंड आपको ये कह रहे हैं कि अब तो मेरी कोई सुनेगा नहीं, अब मेरा कुछ चलता नहीं, this is also the time when he will have problems in his sexual organs and in the prostate issues. This is also the time when he will start forgetting things, क्योंकि याद रहेगा तो problem है. Got it? Our
Anu,
feeling.
Anu,
Yes. What's
Can I
now?
say? Can I
Yes.
say?
Yes,
Ah.
please.
Anu, there can be another impact also, because when he retires, he can feel that now I don't have to go to office. Now I will spend more time with my wife. He can have a positive effect also. That is also one of the points.
Yes, absolutely. But we are looking right now at the man's health and trying to identify that man should have definitely been having a very supportive wife for her to make him feel like a Sarka Sartar still. He has to have enough money in his pocket to feel positive. अगर ये हम अचानक से जो लोगों की jobs गई हैं, it doesn't matter whether the man is 30 years old or 40 years old or old. He does not feel like an alpha man anymore. And that impacts the person's health is all I'm trying to get at. Various places they will get impacted. Where else? कहाँ पे और ऐसे हो सकता है impact? कौन सा ऐसा और शॉक हो सकता है which can जॉब लॉस हो गया, रिटायरमेंट होगी, और क्या चीज हो सकती है जहां पे उसे लगता है कि ओहो
Socially.
pardon
Socially.
socially he will feel
Depression.
these are all illnesses. What other conflict can be there that can make people feel, oh my god, I'm useless? Okay, let
He
me
will-
give,
Because of some major health problem.
yes,
Oh.
what
Withdraw
End of a
from the-
relationship.
withdraw from everyone.
No, if there's a fire in the house and he cannot save his house, or some calamity and he cannot save his family.
yes, any place where we are not able to save our family or be the protector that we are expected to be, that can put people in depression and put people in a very bad place. What about the doctors who are not able to save patients?
Business collapse.
Yes, business collapse, money problems, wife running away, child's death. Any of these can cause so many issues. But top of the list, when I do not feel like a man enough, I will have health issues which will impact my manhood. Okay, this is where we will end. I will take you through the last slides, and I'm putting the feedback link again. Please, all of you, go and tell me whether you found this way of looking at the conflicts and understanding what a man's health is all about. So it is very important for us women to become sensitive to men when they are retired, and sensitive to ourselves when we retire, to give ourselves all those opportunities to feel like the Sarka Sartaj, to make us feel, to make the man feel like the king of the house still, because it is in your hands to make your medical bills less, which means pyar is what is required. Love and affection and sensitivity from all you beautiful women sitting at home. Tomorrow we will continue with this discussion on the women. And right now I am taking you to the slides back again. Just give me-
Excellent, huh? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Fazila. Thank you very much for giving me that place, because, okay, so one minute, guys.
Huh? I had the Daivara.
Okay, so let me summarize this program for you today. We looked today about how men feel about themselves, especially when an alpha man loses his placement of being an alpha. We also saw how men can feel unempowered. We also understood that a conflict can change his physical health, his mental health, and can create insecurity in his life. We need to be very sensitive, especially if the man feeling that he is not the head of the family anymore. We need to give him activities and make him feel that, oh, you are great. Now that's maybe not possible sometimes by doing it by yourself. So it's important to get someone to talk to him. It's important to bring in his friends. It's important to bring in his support system over there. If you liked what we did, please connect with me tomorrow at 2 o'clock for Women's Health, which I will be looking more into what are the conflicts women are having because of which they may be having health problems. Women today are very much like men, so they could also adopt the problems that men have. I will be day after doing consequences of biological, social, and psychological aging. Related classes I like to give you is, थोड़ी पढ़ाई से परे, थोड़ी singing classes join करें, light classes, exercises for the seniors. If you liked what I did, you can make a post like Rhoda did and all of you others did. Go right on the Facebook on Get Set Up and tell them that you like the way things are being done. Please do not forget to put a hashtag Get Set Up or at Get Set Up. You can also write to 9321439549, 9321439549, or you could write to Siddharth at getsetup.io. Please do not forget to give feedback. I've already put the feedback form right there. And you can write what kind of, if you want any more classes which are different, you can put suggestions there also. Please do invite a friend and talk to them about this material. It's not there on Google. It's not there anywhere. I'm giving you exclusive material. Please invite your friends so that they can also understand what and how the human body really operates, and how the human body is very connected with our environment and with our nurturing. You can become part of Get Set Up community, host an interest group, suggest a new class, or request for the session of today's recording at getsetup.io. Sanjana is there on right now. If you need any help from her to book the next class, she can assist you definitely. And yes, this is where we end the main lecture. I will be taking out a few cards for you. I haven't done that for quite some time. I miss taking out cards for you. But is there any question before we go to the cards? Any question that you want to ask, or anything that you've understood?
Anu ma'am.
Yes. Please go
No,
ahead.
ma'am, I would like you to suggest some ways, in which you can give little importance to these men, They do
We
feel low.
are doing, sweetheart, we are doing intimacy
I
topic every
my own
Saturday.
experience about the husband. They really feel low when the children talk. Okay. I miss that.
Thank you. We are doing intimacy
Saturday, I missed. Yeah.
Saturday. You
Okay.
can request them to come with you. Please request your husbands to be there for the class so that they can also understand that we are not just talking pro women. We are also talking pro men and women so that both of you can understand and live your old age as well as young age in a good way. Because if you know how to live happily in old age, you can teach your children and give them the certain
Yeah.
education that is so required.
Hmm.
I'm pulling up right now. Manjushri, this one is for you. You need to rest, sweetheart. Take nice, good rest. Rhoda, this is for you. You need to get out of this whole story that you've created around yourself that you are not good enough. So you need to really explore because you are amazing. In fact, you can bring your airlines, all your experience on Get Set Up, host a program here. This is for you, Fazila. A lot of healing happening for you today during the session. I don't know what that healing was about, but there are some superb understandings. Could you share with us what those understandings were, Fazila? What did you really understand about today's session that seems to be bringing a lot of healing? You're muted, sweetheart.
Okay. It was a very nice session. I'd never thought of it going this way, and I think very nice. So I will boost my husband up, and I will give him a little more. Not that I don't, but it will help him because he's still not retired. But I'm retired. I've taken voluntary retirement, but I will still make him feel that he is above me and feel that he is good enough. He is very good. He's very gentle. He's very sweet, very everything. But still, I'll boost his ego.
Wonderful. If we can make men feel like men, they will have
Yeah,
less straight problems, less
yeah,
dementia.
yeah.
Isn't that?
Because I'm more stronger, so I will, and he also is strong in his own way. But I will boost him up, which I loved your talk because I never expected it going this way. So it was very nice.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you very much.
Bharati, this is for you. Yes, go ahead and do whatever you feel like. You really benefited from today's session again. So there is something happening and some massive understanding that's coming. Malika, you need to
Yes,
consult.
thank you, Anu. Thank you so much.
Like to share what you understood? Would you like to share?
Yeah, I understood. Uh, since my husband is after his retirement, he became very aloof and he became very egoistic. Like always used to feel that I think that I am retired now, so you people don't think that I am capable of everything. So now I understood his this thing because he was on a very senior post in his job. So I think I could relate to many things what you said today. So thank you so much. I really benefited a lot from this session. I didn't think that this will be such a different session. I think I've written to you also. In every session, I learned so many new things from you, Anu. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
थैंक यू आइडिया यही है कि आपकी लाइफ अच्छी हो जाए चलिए एंड लेट मी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पर्सन पैमी there is something amazing waiting for out there. Alchemy means it's one of the best cards of the angel cards. And bless you, you're going to have a very nice life ahead. Darpana, you need to make decisions around your life. Please go ahead and make those decisions. Do not fumble. Whatever decision you will make will be correct. ज्योत्सना ये आपके लिए है सोचने का वक्त है ये सोचने का वक्त है शायद हमने कुछ नहीं समझा था उसे आज समझ लिया है इंटीग्रेट करें शोभा, हमेशा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहा करें, खुश रहा करें, खुदा ने आपको सब कुछ दिया है खुश रहने के लिए. My mother is there for her. She needs to pay attention more to her health. Bhavna is there, and Bhavna, this is playtime. Enjoy yourself and just enjoy and just indulge in life and bring happiness for yourself. बीना भंडारकर, ये आपके लिए है. गाना
Thank you, Anu.
करें. You're welcome, my dear. गाना बजाया करें. Don't know who the Zoom user is. Please नाम चेंज कर लें. आपके लिए बहुत सारी मोहब्बत, प्रॉस्पेरिटी आ रही है. डॉक्टर संजीत, ये आपके लिए, और शुक्रिया आपके यहाँ होने के लिए. डॉक्टर संजीत, अपने आप को रिसीव करने दे. बहुत प्यार है आपके इर्द गिर्द. आप कई बार प्यार मोहब्बत अपने तक पहुंचने नहीं देते. तो allow the love and prosperity to reach you. Allow yourself to receive. Receiving करनी बहुत जरूरी है. मीना जी,
Thank you, ma'am. But you made everything 2 + 2 4. Life is not black and white, it is gray. That's the problem.
और पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है मीना आपके इर्द गिर्द, और अपने आप को हमेशा पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के साथ सराउंड करके रखें. अनीता मल्होत्रा, दिस वन इज फॉर यू. You are an extremely helpful person, and extremely helpful people are coming in your life. Thank you very much, all of you. Tomorrow we will be touching women's life in a different way. थोड़ा सा हटके, थोड़ा सा समझ के कि women की conflict क्या है. हम डिजीज पे नहीं जाएंगे, हम ये समझेंगे कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स क्या हैं जो हमारे को वो डिजीज दे रही हैं, हमें वो ग्रीफ दे रही हैं, और शायद हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को दूसरे के ऊपर ब्लेम करते जा रहे हैं. So we will get out of the game of blame and we will move into the game of empowerment. Thank you very much.
आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट है अनु जी. Just tell a simple way to all the male of us and all the females of us that how to co-interact in the right direction. Just say in the coming things, you say that. That is the most important thing. Everybody knows that when they react with their wife, there is a reaction. The wives react, it's a very reaction. How to mold that or modulate that, that should be our teaching. Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू जी डॉक्टर संजित. आपकी सारी जो भी आप सजेशंस देते हैं पूरी करते हैं हम. सैटरडे को सर हम लोग
I know. That's the reason I told you.
सैटरडे को प्रोग्राम हुआ था, and we had spoken about orgasms actually, and it was
I was not there. I had some other work, so
no problem.
patient is always priority, so can't help it.
हेलो, फ्राइडे को प्रोग्राम नहीं है. फ्राइडे को प्रोग्राम नहीं है.
है,
ये इसमें नहीं दिया है.
आ जाएगा. क्यों वरी कर रहे हो, अभी तक डाला उन्होंने.
नहीं, मैं पूरा एक साथ ही रिजर्व कर देती हूँ.
मंडे से सैटरडे तक अनु के साथ 2 बजे दोपहर.
Yes. Yeah, रिजर्व.
Thank you so much, Anu. Thank you very much.